Morning.
Morning.
Taking Madison to school. This morning, this far, excuse me, all I've had this morning is coffee and water. I'm going to intermittent fast until 10 o'clock. I did go ahead and fluff my hair out. I don't even know if you can tell. I know this lighting isn't ideal, but good morning.
Good morning, and I think I'm gonna have a good day at school.
I think she's gonna have a good day at school too. Hola. So I'm just checking in. It's like 10 minutes away from 10. So I actually think I'm gonna extend the intermittent fast until 12 o'clock because honestly right now I'm good. I've been drinking water and I'm not hungry, so I think I'm just gonna wait until 12 o'clock, especially considering the diet and everything that I ate. Let me not call it a diet. Everything I ate yesterday, it'd probably be best for me just to hold off for a couple more hours, or in my mind it'll be better for me to wait a couple more hours. I don't have anything planned for lunch, so that's probably something I should do so that I don't end up eating crap. But yeah, we'll see. And also, let's just take a moment to appreciate how good this twist out came out. Even though I left those twists in for about 3 days, I actually did something different during the twisting process. So it's just a little hair appreciation. Just quick for your information, I did not miss CrossFit today. I said that I'm gonna try to go every day this week. Yesterday the class was at 9:30. Today the class is at 4:30. So that's later on in the day, but I'm still gonna try to make it every day this week. So just a little FYI, just so you know. All right, so I just pulled it to the Walmart. I gotta put my eye. I need to get like some spinach and some kale so I can start making attempt to like meal prep smoothies and stuff like that, so I can drink that in the morning before my 9:30 workouts. So yeah, so my intention is just to get, like I said, like kale and spinach, maybe some cucumbers, and that's it. I didn't want to get a whole bunch of stuff because I know myself, so I don't want to go in there and go all out and then wind up only making one smoothie, and now I got a freezer full of stuff that I'm not ever going to use. And I already have like some strawberries and stuff like that at home, so I already have some of the stuff that I'm going to use to put in the smoothies. I really just needed my green element, my spinach, the kale, and the apples. So I actually have somewhere else to go. I need to stop by Sprint before I go home. I know you can't see my phone because this is what I'm recording on, but it's atrocious. I'm surprised it's even still working. There's cracks on the entire front. There's cracks on the back. There's parts of the glass that's missing, and it's bad. So I'm hoping that I can work something out at Sprint so I can have my new phone before like the end of the week, but we'll see. I said that a lot. We'll see. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, beautiful people, it is finally lunchtime. I didn't intend to eat this late, but some stuff delayed my lunch. But here is my salad. This is a piece of cheese bread from yesterday. I mean, I gotta eat it. I don't want it to go to waste. I have chicken, shrimp. This is like a kale and cabbage salad. It's like oh, here it is. It's a pre-mixed one I got from Walmart. It has dried tomatoes, sunflower seeds, and the red onion and the avocado. I cut up myself and just added to the salad. So this is lunch. This is what's left. I ended up adding feta cheese to this. I would not recommend that. It definitely conflicted with everything else that was going on. So yeah, don't do that. All right, y'all, so I'm home. I did make it to CrossFit. I actually just got back home from, well, we went to CrossFit first, and then Madison had soccer practice immediately after CrossFit. So I really didn't have time to record anything in between those two times because CrossFit ends at 5:30 and soccer starts at 6. So I kind of have to hurry up and get across town to get her to soccer. As you can see, there was severe damage to my hair during the workout. The workout was crazy. We did burnouts on the, the rower, and something called burpee box jumps that you don't even want to know what that is. I mean, it pretty much is what it sounds. And yeah, some other stuff too, some power cleans and all kinds of stuff. So it was definitely a sweating day, and my hair just looks, it's just not what it was. I'm probably just going to put it up in a bun because I have 3 more days that I'm going to be going to CrossFit in a row, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So there's no point in me trying to salvage this hair. So yeah. And I do own workout clothes, but I'm too fat and I can't fit my workout clothes, and I'm not going to buy any new ones because the goal is to shrink, not to grow. So I'll be able to fit them again eventually. So I'm just going to work out in, sweats and a t-shirt until further notice. Not that anyone cares, but I'm just saying, okay? The last thing I'll probably show you guys is what I eat for dinner. I'm shooting for like a small green smoothie and then maybe some avocado toast. I don't really know, but yeah, that's it.